Today, we're comparing two powerful design tools, Figma and Framer. Both offer robust features for modern design work, but they each have their unique strengths and weaknesses. Our comparison will help you decide which tool is best for your specific needs. Figma shines with its real-time collaboration feature, allowing multiple designers to work on the same file simultaneously. Framer, on the other hand, excels in interactive prototyping, providing a more dynamic experience with its built-in React-based coding environment. Figma offers a free tier and paid plans starting at $12 per editor month, while Framer starts at $12 per user month, but doesn't offer a free tier. However, Framer provides a wider range of pricing options, including team and business plans, giving it a slight edge in terms of flexibility. Figma is renowned for its intuitive interface and ease of use, making it ideal for beginners. Framer, while powerful, has a steeper learning curve due to its coding-oriented approach, which can be a barrier for non-technical designers. Both tools integrate well with other popular design tools like Sketch and Adobe XD. However, Figma has a broader range of third-party integrations, including Slack and Dropbox, which can streamline your workflow. Figma operates entirely in the browser, ensuring accessibility on any device but may face performance issues with large files. Framer requires a desktop app for full functionality, which can handle larger projects better but sacrifices platform versatility. Both Figma and Framer offer high security standards. However, Figma has an edge as it's SOC 2 compliant, providing an additional layer of security that makes it a preferred choice for enterprises. Figma offers extensive documentation and a supportive community. Framer also offers good support but shines in scalability, particularly for larger teams, thanks to its advanced prototyping capabilities. Figma is best suited for designers who prioritize collaboration and simplicity, while Framer is ideal for designers who want to create highly interactive prototypes and don't mind a coding-oriented environment. While both tools have their strengths, Figma wins for its intuitive interface, robust real-time collaboration, and wider third-party integrations. However, Framer is a strong contender for those seeking advanced prototyping capabilities. Thank you for watching. We hope this comparison has been helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We appreciate your support.